Hey, what's going on, bosses? This is technically a week after I went to the Supreme store. I was waiting for the packages that I was getting in the mail. Dude, first week Supreme, it's hard to get the stuff you want. I wanted the cause stuff. I wanted a Ninja Turtle shirt, and I wanted a Spiral shirt in my size, and it's just super difficult. But anyways, let's get back to my haul from Supreme store and from the mail. I'm gonna start off with the Supreme store stuff. Bam. You know what? Bam. You know, I saved these bags because they're actually pretty good bags to use for shopping bags. But I've never gone to the Supreme store on week 1, and I made the mistake of not making an appointment. And I got there at 1. The line was pretty long. Usually when I go to the Supreme store, you don't need to make an appointment. They told me you need to make an appointment. I called the appointment phone number, and they said the earliest time was 5:15, and so I took 5:15. But all right, we got them purple boxes. I want that purple stuff.
I want that purple stuff.
Kind of disappointed. They only gave me the box logo stickers, none of the season stickers. I bought a kite. We're gonna fly this thing. It's gonna be in the intro. You guys probably already seen it. We're gonna fly it. And the Supreme free gift was bubbles. Yeah, but damn, dude, I should have made an appointment way earlier. But these are all not for resale. They're for me to use and keep. Okay, so let's open up what we got in the mail. I know what I got. I got a shirt, and I also got a hat. Open up the shirt first. Oh, I feel the bubble. We got another bubble in this package. I could feel it right here. Remember, guys, cut away. That's the most important part. It only took a week for the stuff to come in. I was actually pretty surprised. Usually it takes about like 2 to 3 weeks. Bubble part 2. We got the box logo. Oh, we got the Mob Deep box logo. Okay. Oh, word. That's sick, yo. And then we got regular box logos, and they did give us. I was hoping for the Raphael. I wanted the Raphael tee, but that's not bad. The shirt that I got, I forgot what the name of the design was. Like Crest? I think it was called Crest, but it's in navy, extra large. This was like the only thing like I could get. Everything was like sold out. I don't know if people are using bots, probably. I really wanted the cause stuff. Open up. This is the hat for sure. I don't like the fact that it comes in with a tamper tape, because it kind of tells people, hey, is something maybe valuable in here. I gotta channel my inner Fred Durst. So we got normal box, OG box logo sticker, and we got another bubble, free bubble. Did you guys pick up the Wheaties Supreme? I heard that's like general release on like in stores and stuff. This one I'm gonna keep for sure. You could kind of see the caps that I have. I think one of them is only one of them is non-Supreme, but I don't think I have a cap with the red label. This one is for me to keep for sure. I got a big ass head for sure. Oh man, this is the one. There's a black cap, you can't see it. It's on the right hand side. The Laura Piana. That's probably the nicest Supreme cap I have. Made out of wool. It's got to be fitted, but it's not one of those, those red caps, if you know what I mean, those red caps. But all right, thank you for watching my Supreme unboxing video. Oh dude, I really wanted the cause, and I really wanted that cause. I wanted that pink cause skateboard. I'm gonna have to fit this because it's super wrinkled. It came all squished. But thank you guys for watching. I'm actually pretty excited for this season. This season looks pretty promising. I usually buy Supreme accessories. I'm not more into the clothing, but this season has some good stuff. All right, guys, peace out.